So Malad basically has a bunch of restaurants that cater to every kind of taste and budget. And in this video, we will be sharing 5 best restaurants that you should try when in this area. So guys, stay tuned till the end and bookmark this guide for your reference. So the first one is Oi Teri the Kulcha Culture. This is a place to enjoy a soul-satisfying North Indian meal. So if you're someone who loves chole kulche, you will find exuberant varieties of chola kulcha and extremely enjoyable taste and flavors of rich Punjabi food here. The service here is unmatched. The ambience is pretty warming and welcoming, and you will love the food here along with some soulful music which is played behind. The cost is pretty reasonable. It's around 500 for 2 people, and some of the must-try dishes are the cheese burst kulcha and the Bollywood chas, which you should not miss when here. So number 2 on the list is the Food Studio. This is a very casual dining place to try with friends and family where you will find North Indian and Chinese food. However, the most famous things here are the pizzas and the great cocktail combinations which you should definitely try. The cost might be a little higher, so it will cost you like around 1700 for 2 people, but it is totally worth the taste that you will get here. Some must-try dishes are the April Lady, which is a cocktail, and the paneer hot garlic starters, along with the broccoli soup, which you should definitely try when here. So the third one is Sammy Sosa. This place is all about only and only Mexican food. So if you're someone who loves Mexican food and likes trying tried and tested different combinations of Mexican flavors, you should definitely head up to this place. The cost of this place is little higher, so it will cost you 1800 for 2 people. However, the quality, quantity and the price that you pay here is totally worth the money and the time you spend and the experience you have here. So if you're a Mexican lover, do visit, because this is a one-stop destination for Mexican lovers. So the next on the list is Bottle Bottle. This is basically a lounge which is preferred to visit with friends. However, obviously this being a lockdown, this place is not open, but it is known to serve delicious, exuberant varieties of Chinese, Mexican as well as continental food even in lockdown. Fledged bar where you can sit and relax with your friends. Also, I would like to mention that the entry is restricted for below 21 and they do check their IDs at the entrance, so take care of that as well. So the fifth one on the list is Peko Peko. This place is known to have comfort food like Hakka noodles, chili chicken, manchow soup, Szechuan chicken, our desi food that we have. And this is basically only a delivery kitchen wherein the cost is very cheap. It will cost you around 700 for 2 people, and you will love the food as per the lower price that you pay. So definitely order from here whenever you want to have food at home.